There's a little story behind this development of these pistol crossbow bolts there. A couple years ago, at Christmas time, I bought 6 pistol crossbows for my family. I wanted to have tournaments. We are, we all like to shoot, so we were going to have tournaments. Well, the problem is the bolts that you shoot are these things. Well, they're fun. You go out and shoot. Problem is, it's basically like shooting a .22 pistol. You can see the hole, but you never find the bullet. You can't use them for tournaments because it goes into the target and you never find them again. So, needed to do something else. Need to find something else. So I come up with these bolts. They're not real hard to make. They shoot very straight. I made these for everyone, and we had our tournaments. I sold several of them on eBay. Here is the biggest problem with these things. Any bolt that has feathers on them. When you shoot them into a target, it goes into the target about that far. Okay, these are great bolts. They go into the target about that far. But when you go into a target that far, you got to pull them out by the feather. There's just no other way to grab a hold of them. Well, here's the problem. Right there. No matter what kind of glue you use, eventually they're going to come apart from the shaft. It's not a matter of if they're going to come across, if they're going to go. It's just a matter of when. So I wanted to come up with something better. So I designed these bolts. I had a mold made, an injection mold, and these are made right up here in Oregon, right here in the good old USA. Okay, this is the first bolt I have. It's called the Tour bolt. It shoots great. It's made of durable plastic. It's lightweight. Comes with a 100 grain point, and you can have some good fun with this. This one here is the shark bolt. It has a little bit of a top fin there. Also light, very accurate, and great bolt. This here is the Apollo bolt. It's a little bit heavier. Some people like a little heavier bolt depending on what they're using them for. So it's a little bit heavier. Well, this is a dime. You know the weight of a dime? 35 grain. 35 grain. That's all a dime weighs. Now, there is aluminum bolts out there. These bolts weigh less than the weight of a dime than they do. Somebody has put out a rumor that my bolts are way heavier, and whatever. They aren't. Well, here's what I came up with. This is a durable plastic. Lightweight. This is aluminum shaft. Okay, combining the two, you got the best of both worlds. They are very accurate. This one actually weighs less than the all aluminum bolts you find out there. This one weighs less than a dime more. So these are the new bolts out on the market. think you're really going to like actually all of these bolts. They all shoot great, but yeah, some people like something different. You got a whole lot of choice there. Now these newer bolts are 11 inches long, including point. The other ones are 10.5 inches long. They look great on the pistol crossbow. They shoot great on the pistol crossbow. Now I'm going to show you some other things that are going to be very handy for you. And just keep on watching. Well, someone started a rumor saying that these bolts were too thick and could not work in some of the pistol crossbows. Well, I haven't found that to be the case. All you have to do is lift up this lever, slip the bolt right on in. It works perfectly. There is no problem there. Okay? I don't know who started the rumor, but we have not found any bolts or any pistol crossbow that these wouldn't fit in.